Hello everyone. So this is a question from JEE Mains 2026, 8th April Shift 2. Consider two radiations of wavelengths. Lambda 1 is 2000 angstroms. Lambda 2 is 6000 angstroms. The ratio of the energies of these two radiations, that is E1 by E2 is, okay. So the chapters involved is structure of atom. So we know that according to Planck's quantum theory, energy of each quantum, okay, a quantum is a small discrete packet of energy. So according to Planck's quantum theory, energy of each quantum is directly proportional to the frequency of the radiation. So that is, I can write E is directly proportional to nu, okay, or by, to remove this proportionality, I write E is equal to h into nu, okay. So this h is the Planck's constant, and it has a value of 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, okay. In this formula, in this particular formula, I can write nu, that is the frequency of the radiation, is equal to c by lambda, okay, where c is the speed of the radiation, which we take as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and lambda is the wavelength of the radiation, okay. So therefore we can rewrite this formula into E is equal to h into c by lambda, okay. In our question they have given us that lambda 1 is equal to 2000 angstroms and lambda 2 is equal to 6000 angstroms, okay. So therefore I can write E1 will be equal to hc by lambda 1, because h and c are constants. The only variable here is the wavelength, and E2 will be equal to hc by lambda 2, okay. So therefore their ratio, that is E1 by E2, that is ratio of energies of these two radiations, is going to be hc by lambda 1 divided by hc by lambda 2, okay, which I can write as hc by lambda 1 into lambda 2 by hc. So hc gets cancelled. So E1 by E2 is nothing but the ratio of the wavelength lambda 2 by lambda 1, okay. And lambda 2 is given to us as 6000 angstroms, lambda 1 is given to us as 2000 angstroms. So therefore E1 by E2 is going to be 6000 angstroms divided by 3000 angstroms. So therefore this is going to be 2. So therefore the ratio of E1 by E2 is 2, okay. So this is 2, okay. Thank you.